On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how I made $456 in a single day using ChatGPT. As you can see right here, this is the amount that I've made in a single day. This method is one of the easiest way that you can ever use to make money with ChatGPT. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that we are going to create a Digistore24 account. It is free to create an account wherever you are in the world. Once you sign up for an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find different products that you can promote to earn money. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to select a product that you can promote. You can select a product and any of these categories that you are seeing. You can see right here, animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment, computer and internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationships, email marketing, education, family and case, fashion, fitness and health. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can find products to promote so that you can be earning money from home. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. This product is ranking #1 on this platform as the product that is getting a lot of sales. So I'm going to be promoting this product right here. You can see right here, the commission rate is $22.07 per every sale that you get. So if you get a sale, this is the amount that you are going to earn. To begin promoting the product, if you are new, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on sales page, so that you can look at the landing page of the product. But I've been promoting it, so I don't need to look at it. In case you are new, you have to click on sales page. You can also click on affiliate support page so that you can find resources that you can use to promote the product. Some product owners will give you ebooks, articles, and many other resources that you can use to promote the product. So if you are new, you can click right here so that you can get access to those resources. But in this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using ChatGPT to promote this product so that we can be earning money. It is very easy. Once you have selected the product, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people to buy the product for you to earn money. You can see this is my affiliate link right here. If you are new, you are going to see something like promote now. So once you see something like that, just click on it so that you can get a link like this. Once you have your affiliate link like this, you can highlight and copy it so that you can drive traffic to the product. To drive traffic to the product, we are going to come on this website, Articlebeastcom. As you can see right here, submit your top articles for maximum exposure and drive traffic to your website. So we are going to use articles so that we can drive traffic to our affiliate link. As I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different categories that you can submit an article. You can submit an article under arts and entertainment, food and drinks, family, business, home, pets, shopping, news and society, self-improvement, computers and technology, auto tracks, sports and recreation, finance, social issues, reference and education, health and fitness, travel and leisure. The product that I'm promoting is under the health and fitness. A lot of people are going to watch this video, so make sure you select any of these categories. All of you are not supposed to be promoting under the health and fitness. There will be a lot of competition, so make sure you select any of these categories. You are not supposed to stick to only health and fitness. When you come back on Digistore24, you can see there's another category right here, food and drinks. You can see computer and internet. On Articlebees, you can see right here, food and drinks. You can see computer and technology. So you can promote any product that you want. When you click on the food and drinks, you can find products that you can promote to earn money. As I click on it, you can see there's a product right here that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see many products that you can promote under the food and drinks. When you click on computer and internet, you are going to find a lot of different products that you can promote to earn money. So once you select the product, the next step is that you are going to publish articles onto Articlebees so that you can get people to read the article and then click through your affiliate link. So this is where we are going to be using ChatGPT to do the work for us. To get access to ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to search for openai.com. Once you search for that, you are going to come right here. You can see ChatGPT. Once you click on it, you can create an account for free. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. This is how it looks like. So now we are going to instruct ChatGPT to write an article for you. In this case, the product that I'm promoting is keto diet. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a keto diet article for me. So I can just type something like, what is keto diet? Once you type whatever you want to write, just click right here and it's going to begin writing whatever that you want. You can see it is writing what is keto. As you can see, that has been done. So once it has written about keto, the next step is that you are going to ask it to write more, because this is not enough. You are going to type something like benefits of keto diet, so just something like this, and it's going to write the benefits for you. As you can see, it is writing everything. So we are going to wait for it to write. As you can see, it has written the benefits of keto. You can ask it to write food list on keto diet, food list on keto diet. So you can just ask something like this and it's still going to write for you. You can see it is writing the food list on keto diet. You can see everything. As you can see, it is writing. It has finished writing the article. The next step is that we are going to copy and paste this article on Articlebees. So just come back on Articlebees. Once you come back on Articlebees, click on submit article. Once you click on submit article, you are going to enter your name right here. So author's name, just type your name right here. Once you type your name, you are going to enter your email address. As you can see, I have entered my email address. Once you enter your email address, the next step is that you are going to paste your article title right here. So in this case, keto diet for beginners. So something like this. This is the title of my article. The next step is that you are going to select the categories. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select the right category of your article. So just scroll down. Mine is under the health and fitness. You can see right here, health and fitness. So select that. Once that is done, you are going to paste the body of the article right here. So just come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, you are going to highlight and copy your article. So just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to go back and then copy the benefits of keto. So you are going to highlight and copy, just highlight and copy the benefits. Once you copy the benefits, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to go back and then copy the food list on keto. So just highlight and then copy everything. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You have a full article. You can see everything. So once you have your article, the next step is that you are going to come right here. You can see resources box. In the resources box, you can include your affiliate links. You can see it right here. You may include your email or website address information, maximum 2 URLs. So you can paste your affiliate link right here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to type a call to action right here. Once you paste it, the next step is that we are going to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So just come back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, you are going to highlight and then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to search for tiny URL. Once you search for that, you are going to click on the first website. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, you are going to click right here, make tiny URL. As you can see, your link has been shortened. So just click right here, copy. Once you copy it, you are going to come back on Articlebees and then paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, they want to know if you are a robot. So you can see challenge question. You can see what is 7 and 3. So this is 10. So it is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. Once that is done, you are going to click right here. Notify me when a user comment is posted for this article. You can see I accept and agree to Articlebees terms of service. So select that. If you want to get notification for comments, you can select right here. But I don't want to do that, so just click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. You can see the challenge question. It is not correct, so I think that is multiplication. So we have to enter the right figure here. That will be 7 times 3. So we have to enter that figure right here. 7 times 3 will be 21. So just enter the right figure right here. The challenge question, make sure you enter the right one. And then click on continue. Once you click on that, you can see please review your article submission for completeness. So you have to review your article. Just scroll down and then read through. If there is any mistake, you can correct it. You can see everything is correct. You can see your affiliate link right here. It is clickable. So once people read your article and then click right here, they are going to be directed to the product that you are promoting. And once they purchase it, you are going to be earning money on Digistore24. So the next step is that you are going to submit your article for review. So just click right here, submit for review. You can see your article has been submitted. So your article has been submitted and they are going to publish it onto the website. Once you get people to read it and then click through your affiliate link, if they buy the product, you are going to be making money on Digistore24. So you are not limited. You can keep on posting different articles on different categories so that you can get many people to buy the products that you are promoting. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.